Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to find your connected social media accounts on the application of Weverse. We go to Weverse app. In this page, you will wait a moment. Then we click in this sign of more. After that, we click in this sign of settings. Here we go to account settings. After that, in this page, you will go to this window of connected social media accounts, but here we'll find the Google, Twitter, Apple, and if you want to connect to this social media, you can click on connect here. For example, Google, it is already connected, but if you want to connect it to other social media, then you can click on connect. So please don't forget